Okay, so today got the reamer. Jason Rudolph kindly let me borrow this for the next couple weeks. So been reaming out these holes to make our ready rod fit in. I got one in, which is huge relief, but I still got all these to do today, so should be fun. But I got one in, so I'm happy about that. Believe it or not, I actually managed to get the drill through this side all the way to that side. Doesn't happen very often. Well, definitely a slow go. I've gotten 2 done. Got 2 more to do. Yeah, it's actually a pile of work. I had to shim this guy up just to make everything level here. But got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for this bracket, and these are the medium-sized ones. So took me 2 hours for this one bracket. It's gonna be a while. We got all 4 of our east side brackets done, all bolted with 1 foot 3/4 inch ready rod. It's like 8 of them in each of them. So next we're moving on to these big Mamba Jambas. So we got 3 of the beams on, and we just have 1 more cross member to put on. But today I'm going to be cutting these guys down to size. So right about there somewhere. That's how I gauge everything, is just with my finger. So the building's gonna be this high. Real accurate. I'm just kidding. So yeah, those need to be cut down, and these brackets go on top. These ones like little caps. So I have a feeling I'm going to be doing some work with the chisel today. Okay, so we got all the posts marked to height. So next, I'm going to cut them all off with this guy again. All cut down. So our next step is to put these brackets on. They're a bit too small for the post, so had to chisel out this top section here. Hopefully it fits. Nope. I know the rule is measure twice, cut once, but I've always been a firm believer in measuring once and cutting like 5 or 6 times. So we're gonna try this again. God damn. Just finished the last one, so we'll throw in our last bracket here. Got all the, well, half the A3 brackets in. Let's take a peek over here. Right down the hole here. Yeah, looks pretty good. Happy with that. So next we can throw the beams up and some ready rod through these guys.